corporate bond is a fund which is investing only in corporate bonds. So while over the last 3 or 4 years, what we have seen is that we are getting decent opportunities in corporate bond space. So the idea came up that why don't we launch a fund which is dedicated to corporate bonds. The corporate bond fund was launched in November 2011. The fund looks at only corporate bond as the universe for investment. The corporate bond fund also has a cap on the maturity. It cannot have an average maturity of more than 3 years. So we are kind of limited the duration of the fund, and the universe is restricted to corporate bond. Today corporate bonds are offering a good investment opportunity. India is slowing down a bit. The economy is expected to grow between 5 to 6%. Going forward, we'll see less number of supply from the corporate bonds, and therefore if you can lock in your money today in a high yielding corporate bond space, wait for the spreads to come down, you'll end up getting both the higher yield and the capital gains in the medium term. The idea of the portfolio management team is to build a decently high yielding corporate bond universe for the fund without taking undue risk on the credit side. So while we need to build in a corporate bond book, we are very kind of clear that we don't want to take any extra credit risk in the portfolio. So the process is to find look at companies where we can take exposure. So we have a separate universe of companies where we can invest and where we cannot invest. So out of the universe of the companies where we can invest, among those companies, we look at the best opportunity in the given environment and try to build this high yielding corporate bond book. The tenure of the portfolio cannot be more than 3 years of average maturity. To that extent, the duration risk is captured. So the entire focus of the team is to look at high yielding corporate bonds, as I said, without taking undue risk on the credit side. So this fund is ideally positioned for investors who are looking for a 30-month or more than 30-month investment horizon. The universe is, as I said, purely corporate bonds. The maturity of the fund will be kind of close to 3 years. That's the maximum the fund can go. And if you can stay put for 30 months, I think it offers a very good opportunity in the current environment.
Mutual fund investments are subject to market risks. Read all scheme-related documents carefully.